Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is faithfulness. This is the third door I have to say to prosperity. You're opening so many doors, but faithfulness is key. And the key is consistency. Faith without works are dead. You believe you have your gift. You believe in yourself. Now it's time to live it. Show everyone every single day what you are made of. What's in your mind? People might feel as though you're different, out of your mind, crazy. That's impossible because you are the one to make the impossible possible. This is why you're on earth right now. So commit to your mind, heart, and spirit, and your will. I'm devoted to the needs of my soul, and I trust myself and God and the universe. You're in the right place, right time, with the right gifts to excel. Make sure that you continue to stay consistent. Show up every day, just like a job needs to pay you. By you showing up every single day, that's putting the energy into that job. Whatever you want to see grow every single day, water that plant, just as if you're clocking into your job. Lord God, Spirit, Universe will honor that while saying, wow, they're building up the energy, they're putting in the work, they're watering it consistently every day. Guarantee what you water shall sprout. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.